Writing content for your Amazon affiliate website. Despite their unconventional name, Amazon affiliate websites are nothing more than niche websites. Niche websites are sites created with the intention of getting found by people looking for predominant keywords in a given niche at any given moment. Amazon affiliate websites are mostly described as review sites or comparison sites in the mainstream. It can be easy to be misled and think that it will be enough to pour out whatever positive thoughts you might have towards the products that you intend to promote, or to simply create product comparisons in graphic chart form. Unless you have a cult following of customers willing to buy anything at any given moment, you won't have any type of success if you follow that common formula. Writing content for an Amazon affiliate website requires a technical approach, but there's one thing we can assure you about. It's not difficult to do if you follow the principles listed next. Building money pages. Money pages are pages in a niche website that are in charge of producing affiliate income. For Amazon affiliate websites, there is a set of basic elements that need to be included on a successful money page. Profitable keywords, great content, and pricing tables. Let's take a look at each element on a purely individual level. Profitable keywords. A profitable keyword is nothing more than keywords that willing buyers use when searching for information to buy a product. There is something really important to understand in order to create a profitable niche site. It is that people landing on your site are already in shopping mode. They only need a little bump to make a purchase. If you get them more interested in what they are looking for, you'll push them towards making a purchase. This means that your profitable keywords need to be A, the common name of the product or product category that you promote, B, brand names, and C, keywords or phrases commonly used to make searches related to the product or product category that you promote. Great content. Great content means content that is customer-friendly and helpful. You'll mostly be reviewing the products that you promote, so there is stuff that you have to include on every piece of content in your money page. Mainly, you have to mention the benefits of the product and how they can fulfill the customer's needs. Secondly, you have to structure your content in a way that your keywords fit naturally. If you don't include them, or if you only include them on titles, your content will get buried underneath hundreds of search results. Also, do not forget that your content needs to be long, ideally 2,500 to 4,000 words long. This is to comply with Google's algorithm quality standards. It puts higher value on long, well-written, and well-structured content, which means that your money pages will show in the first page of Google's results. Pricing tables. Pricing tables are a nice little trick that will function as a backdoor of sorts. Pricing tables work like an invitation. They seamlessly lure willing customers to click on a picture of a product that they want to buy, so they can complete the purchase that they were going to make in the first place. You only have to show them the way. Pricing tables are simple to create. You just have to list similar products at the end of a piece of written content, each one featuring their corresponding picture, name, and price. Final recommendation. As a final recommendation, we advise you create comparison reviews featuring multiple products into a single piece of written content. This is because it is sometimes really difficult to fit 2,000, let alone 4,000 words into a review about one single product. If you create a multiple product review instead, you can easily dedicate 500 words to each product. This will also work great for customers researching a product before a purchase.